front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on Accounts and Sync. Following that, choose Google under Preferred Service and use Google Password Manager by clicking on it and tapping on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and click on this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!